Hey, from Denver, Colorado, it's Sarah Stanley. I had a pretty awesome morning of training. My gym had a 3-hour spin ride, and I'm a roadie, and I can spend 8-10 hours on a road bike, but I've never actually spent 3 straight hours on a spin bike. Entirely different experience. So I got 60 miles in, and and I also ran 2 miles to the gym, and I am currently running 2 miles home. So my legs are definitely spent, but they feel great. I have tons of energy. Afterwards, I made sure I film rolled to get some of the tightness out of my legs and did some pull-ups and some core work and a 2-minute and 15-second plank. So I am having an awesome training day, training for another 100-miler in case you don't know that. You can keep up to date with all my adventures on Twitter at Sarah Stanley, website sarahstanleyinspired.com, and Facebook. Sarah Stanley Inspired CO is the Facebook URL. I will chat with you soon. I hope you are training. Let me know in the comments below what you did today. Cheers.